from its technology, the Nike Pegasus Premium possesses a quality that most runners don't have: elusiveness and buzz. Since nearly all of the colorways have only been available in small amounts, many have naturally sold out right away, which has increased the cost of resale. Fortunately, Nike is giving us lots of opportunities even though the Pegasus Premium might not be an easy comp. Keep an eye out for this recently discovered men's colorway in the summer or autumn of 2025. Anthracite, black, smoke gray are the sneaker's primary color choices. Sage green synthetic tape encircles the upper, and bright crimson accents are used on the tongue, insoles, and full-length air zoom cushioning. From the top down, the Pegasus Premium has 3 cushioning technologies: ZoomX, Air Zoom, and ReactX. Although the release date for men's sizes is not yet set, it is anticipated to occur in the summer or autumn of 2025. As soon as we learn more, this article will be updated.